Ramadan is a beautiful time of spiritual reflection, discipline, and devotion. But while we focus on fasting and worship, it's also important to take care of our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. In today's video, I'm sharing the ultimate self-care guide to help you stay energized, balanced, and spiritually fulfilled throughout the holy month. Let's begin. 1. Nourishing your body the right way. First, let's talk about food. Eating well during Suhoor and Iftar can make a huge difference in your energy levels. For Suhoor, choose slow-digesting foods like oats, whole grains, eggs, and yogurt to keep you full longer. For Iftar, start with dates and water for instant hydration and energy. Then, go for a balanced meal with lean proteins, fiber-rich veggies, and complex carbs like quinoa or brown rice. Stay hydrated. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water between Iftar and Suhoor, and avoid sugary or caffeinated drinks that cause dehydration. Prioritizing rest and sleep. Sleep is essential for recharging your body. Since Ramadan alters our routine, try to stick to a consistent sleep schedule by sleeping early after Taraweeh. Take a short power nap during the day if needed. Reduce screen time before bed and create a relaxing nighttime routine, like reading Quran or listening to calming nasheeds. Keeping your skin and hair healthy. Fasting can sometimes make our skin and hair feel dry, so let's not forget self-care in this area too. For your skin, keep it hydrated by using a good moisturizer and drinking plenty of water. Use SPF if you're going outside during the day. For hair care, try a nourishing oil massage before bed using coconut, argan, or castor oil. Switch to a silk pillowcase to reduce breakage and frizz. Gentle movement and exercise. Exercising while fasting can be tricky, but movement is important to stay active. Instead of intense workouts, go for light stretching or a short walk after Iftar. Yoga or low-impact exercises can help with flexibility and relaxation. Avoid overexerting yourself during fasting hours to prevent exhaustion. Strengthening your spiritual connection. Ramadan is the best time to reconnect with your faith. Set realistic Quran reading goals and try to understand its meaning. Increase your dhikr and du'as throughout the day. Prioritize Taraweeh and Tahajjud for a deeper spiritual experience. Small acts of charity and kindness bring blessings and peace to the heart. Creating a cozy and peaceful Ramadan atmosphere. Your environment plays a big role in your mood and productivity. Light some candles for a relaxing vibe. Set up a prayer area with soft rugs and cushions to make it inviting. Declutter your space for a stress-free, peaceful atmosphere. Use a Ramadan planner to organize your prayers, reflections, and daily goals. Self-care during Ramadan is about balance, nourishing your body, mind, and soul. When you take care of yourself, you'll have more energy for worship and personal growth. I hope you found this guide helpful. Let me know in the comments how you practice self-care during Ramadan. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might benefit. Wishing you all a peaceful and blessed Ramadan. Ramadan Mubarak.